Introducing the 2025 Volkswagen Crafter T 30 MWB. This powerful vehicle boasts a 140 horsepower engine, 2-litre size, and only 11 kilometres on the clock. Packed with comfort and safety features like air conditioning, cruise control, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking, you can feel confident and in control on the road. Plus, with security measures like ABS and emergency call, your peace of mind is guaranteed. And with additional perks like a spare wheel and stop and start system, this van is perfect for any job. Rest assured with our full health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and manufacturer servicing. Don't miss out. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie today.